Greetings everyone. It's yet another beautiful day down here. Very beautiful sunny day and some clouds. We thank God for this, and just want to show you the beautiful roof that we've just completed, awaiting iron sheets. As you can see, we've done the base design, just fitting the house itself. So guys, keep watching, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment for the HomeBuild channel and family to grow. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Wagwan man. Blessed Rasta. Wagwan. Easy. Easy.